All right, everybody, Bryce here, coming at you with yet another real quick crypto market update. And it's no surprise that the markets are on absolute fire right now. It's breakout after breakout after breakout. It's what we've been calling for the last several weeks, guys. We've been telling you the market's in a contraction and the market is primed for higher highs and higher lows, poised for a breakout. And surely enough, that's exactly what we're getting. So what's really driving the bullish price action? Well, for one, we're seeing rising volumes, right? Rising volumes not only on centralized exchanges and not only on decentralized exchanges, but we're seeing rising transaction volumes on chain. So this means there's a really good underswell and a good, basically fundamental push in these networks that are gaining adoption, gaining attraction. And so it's usage. There's more usage. And that is why, part of why, crypto prices are moving higher, because there's more people that are trading, more people that are getting involved. And this is just all in the data. So the other thing that I saw that was kind of interesting was the fact that the CEO of Twitter recently just left Twitter, right? And he founded Twitter. He's been with Twitter for several years. A guy named Jack Dorsey. And Jack Dorsey's really interesting because he is a big crypto bull. And so just a few days before he left, he had released a white paper, basically, an informational sort of docket with all sorts of information about a decentralized Bitcoin exchange that he was going to create. So I'm speculating, basically, that the CEO of Twitter, Jack Dorsey, is going to be starting his own Bitcoin exchange. And it's going to be, again, it's mild speculation, but it seems like it's pretty close to being an almost a confirmed fact. So I'm going to keep you guys posted. And I remember I reported on it a couple months ago when there was some rumblings and rumors about Twitter releasing a Bitcoin Lightning integration, which they did. And so we were speculating on that, and sure enough, now all Twitter users across the world, over 350 million of them, can have Bitcoin wallets integrated with their Twitter profile. And now Twitter is also going to be validating profile pictures and having basically an NFT authenticator built into it. So if you guys have any questions about, is crypto really here to stay? Is Ethereum really going to be as big as people say it is? Yes, it is. Twitter is, one of the largest social networks in the world, and they're basically going all in on crypto. And the CEO of Twitter is leaving to go all in on crypto. So it's not obvious. Well, you're missing something, and I don't know what else to tell you. But all in all, this sort of price action that we're seeing is really, really bullish, because we're getting lots of breakouts, not in just Bitcoin, but a lot of the smaller altcoins as well are starting to see some popcorn price action. A lot of the DeFi coins that have been just dragging for the past couple months, contrary to what I was hoping was going to be happening. But lo and behold, that's how markets work. You just got to be patient. But we're starting to see a nice rotation. Almost just tripped and killed myself. That would have been embarrassing on camera. But at the end of the day, you guys need to understand that patience is what pays in markets. And if you've been holding a lot of altcoins and you're getting uncomfortable, you're seeing everybody else making money and you feel like you're not making money, and you want to sell that altcoin, right, to go chase another pump, I highly encourage you guys just to hold and be patient and sell on that big up day, right? You don't want to be necessarily, selling when the market is just grinding slowly to the side, grinding away, making you bored. I see people posting all the time about, oh man, I've been holding this thing for months. It hasn't budged. I want to get in on something that is maybe a little bit faster moving, and then they sell it. And then sure enough, the next week, the next day, that thing pumps right off without them. And it happens time and time again in markets. And so the main thing is just be patient with your positions, right? Remember what you bought, the reason you bought them in the beginning, right? You were highly convicted in this coin, and hold on for dear life, right? Because we're really approaching a serious alt season. And so I think every altcoin is going to have their time in the sun here shortly. But it's up to you to be in the best, right? In the best altcoins that are going to perform the strongest throughout this bull market. And so that's what we're trying to always do here at Crypt Nation. Provide you with the best access, the best analysis, the best research, let you guys know what we think the best coins are for this bull market. And when we think the bull market's going to be over, and newsflash, we think this party has a lot more gas, okay? So if you aren't already subscribed to a crypto research group, also, we've got, over 10,000 crypto investors that are all on our Facebook group, sharing information, posting analysis, insights. We're posting weekly newsletters, buy and sell alerts for, different cryptocurrencies, exact prices to buy in, exact prices to sell at, all that good stuff. If you guys are interested, I highly encourage you guys to click that button below, okay? $1 2-week trial for, what do you have to lose, all right? $1 2-week trial. Click that big orange button below. And we'll see you guys inside.